theme are still there. So all we have to do now is to reload up the testimonials and to get the sliding gallery working. Okay, so the best way of doing that, and this is pretty simple, is to go and get our original quotations, which were here, what our clients say. Okay, what we're going to do, okay, so we're going to go to, where is it, settings, quote rotator. We'll go to quote rotator. I think we might have to go to, oh no, that's wrong, that's the settings. It's tools, isn't it? Yeah, quotes. That's it. It's in tools, quotes. This is in the old side. Okay, so we've just got this lorem ipsum sample stuff happening, so we're just going to copy that in. Okay, so we're going to go to our new side, and we've got our quote rotator. Okay, so we open that up, and you can change the title, and we should change that actually. So we'll say what our clients say. Okay, you can change the delay between quotes. In this case, should probably have 5. Yeah, fade duration. Make it 2. Fade out. Yeah, that's all fine. Okay, so quotes in random order. Now, what you'll notice is that there's just provision for one quote. But when we put in the first one, okay, and we put in the author, which is what, a client or a person, is fine. Okay, and we click save. That will save the quote, and it'll create another a quote box for us. I think we can improve upon that in an update because basically it just reverts you back to the main panel. But you can see we come back and we open it up again, and yet lo and behold there's another one in there. Let's just go to quotes again. We take the second. Of course your quotes will be real quotes, but I'm just showing you how to do it so that you can take this idea and apply it yourself. So this will be a client or whoever it is going to be. Save again. What we should really have here is create a new box or have a different system that doesn't inconvenience us to have to go backwards and forwards like this. But it works, as you can see, and it's not hard to do. We've got a third quote there, and this is going to be a customer. Okay, we're going to go back here, whack that in, and we're going to say this is by a customer. Okay, and save again. And now if we go back to that save, we go back to our working site, we should see this change, what our clients say. It should change to that, and we should see some real quotes turn up, and there they are. Okay, that's the quotation. The first one, a person, what our clients say. That's going to last for about 5 seconds. It's going to fade out. The new one's going to fade in again. And that should all be good to go. Yep, there we go, fade out. And the new one's fading in. So that's good. Okay, so now you know how to do that. Pretty easy to do. And the next thing is, what about this panel here? Okay, so I'm just going to go through in simple terms and show you how to do that. And the best way of doing it is we go to featured panel, and you'll notice up here it's got gallery slider category. It pulls the, this is a lot simpler than the dynamic content gallery that's with the previous system. Okay, so it's pulling from articles, which is correct. That's where we wanted to pull it from. You've got different combinations of slide, fade, slide, and fade. We're just going to have a fade, and again you can pick the select the settings there of fade, effect, and so forth. And what we're going to do is we're going to say, yeah, okay, that's good, and we're going to save. Now, what you'll notice is when we save, we go back, and this might be confusing for you at first, unless you know how to do it. We click on refresh, and you'll notice nothing will have happened. Okay, so it's like, oh, well, what's going on here? Well, I'll tell you what you need to do. All of those posts in the article category that we want to show up there. Okay, so we just go here to posts. What we need to do is we need to assign a, so we're just going to see, here's all the articles here. We've got 3 of them. Oh, is it 4? 3, yeah, 4. Okay, so we're going to take them and we're going to go to edit the article, and we're going to do a couple of things. Okay, we're going to go to the visual version here, Okay, and the first thing you'll notice is that we've got an image here. Okay, this one here, which is all the wires and so forth. We're going to delete that. I can explain why later, but we're going to just basically click on the image and delete. Okay, that's deleted. Okay, and we are going to. The other thing is that this is indexed. I beg your pardon. It's what do you call it? I can't think of the word, but it's basically set so that everything's squared off. What we're going to do is we're just going to change that. There's a reason for doing that. It's not essential, but we're just going to take out the justify. That's it. We're just going to take out that justification because that affects how the little sliding panel with the description. It affects the formatting of it. It's no big deal, but I just like to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that out, and we're going to go to we don't need all of that. We've got featured image, and we're going to select set featured image because it is the setting of the featured image that determines whether the image will show up in our new gallery. Okay, so we just deleted the image before, so it sat there in the gallery. There it is. Okay, and this time all you need to do is use as featured image. It'll click saving. Okay, it's done. Okay, we can get out of here now. There it is. Okay, and it's still saved to articles. That's fine. We just update that page, and that's one done. Now we need, in order for something to rotate, you need to have more than one item. So we're just going to go to back to all posts again. That's the first thing that we did. Things to know about electricians, and we do the second one. Okay, so we're going to go to edit, and again, let's just go on a visual here. Okay, we're going to take out this image. Okay, the guy fixing the. Okay, we're going to change the justification there. The best way you can actually do it on the front end here, but I just like to make sure it's done properly in the back end because sometimes some of the HTML tags kind of hang on, and that kind of makes things a little bit awkward. Okay, and we're going to go down here to, again, this is the most important part. Featured image, we need to assign a featured image. You'll see what happens here in a moment. Okay, so there it is in the gallery. We deleted it from the actual main post, but it's in the gallery set there waiting for us. And we just, oops, let's just go back again. And click on that again. Okay, there it is. And we want to use this featured image. Saving, done. You can see that it's shown up down here. Okay, that's fine, and we will save that image. So we've got two saved now, and that's the process that you go through. Refresh the page and see what we got. Okay, so we're refreshing the page, and if that has worked, we should show, yep, there we go. It shows up what makes a good electrician, and there's the okay, so we've got two titles showing up here. We can go back and take one of the titles out, because what it's doing is pulling the title of the actual post, and then it's pulling the content, and I've got the actual title in the content as well as in the post. Okay, so that's fine. If we click on the read more tag, which isn't working in that one because I did something wrong, but it's working in that one. We click on read more, that'll take us to the article, and you'll see what's happened there is it's made a featured image, and there's the article. Okay, so that's pretty much how you make the sliding gallery show up, that you just assign in the back here. Where are we? Okay. Okay, go back to WP-LocalBiz version 2 control panel.